Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Well, we'll talk about the top stocks today. That includes Nvidia and many others, Amazon and Alphabet. But really quickly, the backdrop is CPI rattled investors yesterday, so the market took a dive. Today, we bounced back a little bit. Some of those top stocks was Nvidia, up 2%, AMD up 1%, and Apple up 0.89%. Microsoft up 0.19 as well. So those were some top stocks on the day. Now let's go over to my Robinhood. Okay, so we saw today was up 1% for a gain of $46 in the Robinhood. And we had several stocks as well over here jump. We had Google up 2%, as we saw in the other portfolio. We had Coinbase. Coinbase was up 4.55%, and Apple shares up 4.42%. Now, they did announce they were going to have a new chip, so that was good news for Apple. Shares jumping after being down weeks and weeks and weeks. So Apple shares jumped on news of a new chip. So Apple will be creating their new chip. And so that got the stock going today. As you see, Apple plans to overhaul its entire Mac line with AI-focused M4 chips. So that's the news. That's what got the stock going. Jumped 4%, up from a normal 1% gain. And finally, we're going to go to the Charles Schwab. Okay, here we're on the Charles Schwab again today. The top stock is Nvidia up 4.15, Tesla slightly up 1.51, Apple shares up 4%, as we mentioned, up for $74. Advanced Micro Devices up 1.95, and Microsoft shares up 1% for gain of $34. We also saw SoFi almost touching 1%. So guys, anywhere from 1% to 1.5% is an excellent gain for the day. We saw Apple and Nvidia hit 4% today. So that was a 4x performance. So it's great news for Apple and their new M4 chip. And again, I encourage you to check out my community board. Okay, I'm on my community board. And as I said, here are some of the hot stocks: Nvidia, Amazon, and Apple. Please check out some of these stocks, especially Amazon. Amazon has been on a tear, up quite a bit. So continue to watch my community board for updates. As we mentioned, Nvidia and Apple, some of the top stocks, and they start off early this morning and they finish well today. So Nvidia and Apple today were the top stocks. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on the next video.